Natural light has the power to transform a home. Bright rooms feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while dark spaces can feel closed off and less inviting. For homeowners in Pell City, designing brighter spaces doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Energy-efficient windows make it possible to enjoy abundant natural light while maintaining consistent indoor comfort and performance. The value of natural light in everyday living. Natural light improves the overall atmosphere of a home. It enhances mood, highlights interior design, and reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. Many homeowners want brighter interiors but worry that larger or more open windows may affect comfort. Energy-efficient windows address this concern by allowing light to flow freely into the home without bringing unwanted heat or drafts. Pell City homeowners benefit from spaces that feel open and cheerful without compromising indoor comfort. How energy-efficient windows manage light and heat. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to balance light and thermal performance. Advanced glass options allow visible light to pass through while reducing the amount of heat that enters the home. In Pell City homes, this means sunlit rooms stay comfortable throughout the day. Homeowners can enjoy bright interiors without feeling overheated or dealing with uneven temperatures near windows. Enhancing light without increasing energy use. One common concern is that more natural light could lead to higher energy use. Energy-efficient windows help prevent this by maintaining a tight seal and reducing air leakage. Pell City homeowners often notice that rooms feel brighter without placing additional strain on heating or cooling systems. The result is a well-lit home that remains energy-conscious and comfortable. Brightening living spaces throughout the home. Energy-efficient windows can enhance natural light in nearly every room. Living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and dining areas all benefit from improved daylight flow. In Pell City homes, brighter living spaces feel more inviting and functional. Natural light makes daily activities more enjoyable, from cooking and working to relaxing and entertaining. Reducing glare while maintaining brightness. Too much direct sunlight can cause glare, making spaces uncomfortable. Energy-efficient windows help soften incoming light, creating a more balanced and pleasant brightness. Pell City homeowners appreciate how these windows enhance daylight without overwhelming the space. Rooms feel well lit and comfortable, supporting a relaxed living environment. Supporting comfortable interior design choices. Good lighting plays an important role in interior design. Energy-efficient windows provide even light distribution that complements furniture, colors, and decor. In Pell City homes, this consistent lighting helps interiors feel cohesive and thoughtfully designed. Spaces look brighter and more polished without the need for excessive artificial lighting. Improving comfort near windows. Older windows often create discomfort near walls or seating areas due to drafts or temperature swings. Energy-efficient windows eliminate many of these issues by maintaining stable indoor conditions. Pell City homeowners benefit from being able to use the entire room comfortably. Areas near windows become inviting spaces rather than spots to avoid. Long-term benefits of energy-efficient design. Designing brighter spaces is not just about aesthetics, it's about long-term livability. Energy-efficient windows are built to perform consistently over time, maintaining both light quality and comfort. For Pell City homeowners, this durability ensures that bright interiors remain enjoyable year after year without frequent adjustments or concerns. A smarter way to design with light. Energy-efficient windows make it possible to embrace natural light without compromise. They support brighter interiors while protecting comfort, efficiency, and everyday performance. For homeowners in Pell City, choosing energy-efficient windows is a smart way to design brighter, more inviting spaces that feel comfortable and welcoming throughout the home.